Okay, are we live? Yes, we are. So another. Is it late? I'm sorry. I don't think I am because. Whatever. Let's just. I mean, welcome back, guys. I don't know how to start this type of thing, but okay, here we are again on the session, silver bullet on the US 500 SPX, SNP, or whatever it is. Okay, let me just start to mark the liquidity, the figures. Here we have sell side liquidity, which was just taken out on the 15 minutes, and we have this liquidity on top here, which kind of be the target if this is a bullish setup. So let me check first for the time on the 5 minutes. So yeah. Where is it? 350, 310. Okay, start and 4. So that's it. We are set for the thing. Good. I will mark this as a bullish anticipation. Okay, that's it. Now let's screen the 1 minute chart before we go. Okay, so here I'm also looking on the 5 minute setup. Okay, I will be hiding this one. Okay, we're good to go. So here on the 5 minutes, we'll be looking for the first FVG to form, and on 1 minute, we will be looking for the price rebalance. So let's see what this price will tell us. So if I were counting this 250 on the macro run time frame, I can assume that this is going to the to with our prediction speculation that the price is going to go up again to the here to 300, but let's just see until the real trading window start, which is at 3 New York local time. So we will see if there's more of this bullish BPR form. We will take the trade over there, which is a buy. So this 1, 2, 3. This is an imbalance here. Bearish FEG. 1, 2, 3. Here is also another FEG here, but it's still forming, so we don't know yet. Okay. So yep, why I'm taking the buy anticipation, because we did liquidate this level right here, right here. The next level that will be concerning is this one on 4232, and there's a sell side way below here on for 171. These are the lines that we will be taking a look for, but since now the price already sweep this liquidity on the sell side, we will be looking for a buy scenario here. Let's go to 1 minute, see what's going on here. Okay, as we can see here, the price is doing a displacement, and if this one close with the next candle as a bullish FVG that makes the bullish BPR, then we can take the buy from there. Let wait and see. 2 more minutes, I guess. Maybe let's fire some music first. Okay, looks like the price is not forming what we're looking for here, and I can mark this as the 1 minute liquidity here, one more over here, which aligned with the order block, bullish order block. Let's see what it does. We're not for okay, so the okay, understood. Okay. Where's my music at? Hmm. Okay. Good. It's really hot, really hot. Help! I'm burning. Off that light. Let's press air in. Okay, how many handle is that thing going down? Only 4 handle. No. Can't do that. I will be little zooming in a little bit more because I really hit missing move. This is interesting. 1 minute FVG bullish. But we don't have a BPR here just yet. Okay, we have the first FVG on the session, which is bullish here, the one that I marked, and yeah, the price is leaving us. I mean, you know, it will do. Let me. Yeah, I think we can do the limit here or the instant execution. But I will be waiting a bit more just to see if the price can go back to the FEG. Okay, here looks like price is going down. I'm going to enter here. I am in somewhere around my price is 266. Yep, I am in 66 here in Bunny. Let's see what it will do. My first entry will be always 6 handles. 6 handles, 6 handles. The TP for the farthest will be okay here. I will duplicate this entry and drag the profit to be here. 35 handles. Let's see if we can take this on 300. Good stuff, good luck. Hey, hey, hey. How do I call you, bro? Plus Ultra, is it okay? I mean, welcome back, I guess. You're just in at the time that I found my setup. Still no 5 minute setup. What are you looking at? Yeah, Oli. Oh, Oli. Okay, that's a good name. Oli. Is that a girl or a boy's name? I don't know. Oli, because it's kind of, you know, biased. But yeah, Oli. That should do. Are you looking for something on the London session? Maybe buy or sell? Are we in the same position or not? Because this position looks concerning. I mean, there's not yet any BPR formed that I just entered because I see this first bullish FVG here. Ah, okay, Oliver. Then that is a boy name. Oliver, that's a good name. Oh, Oliver can also be a girl name. Ah, why am I thinking about? I'm still waiting for a sweep. Which sweep are you waiting for? I mean, this level here on the 1 minute 4261 or 4259, because for me the sweep has already happened here on the 50 minutes time frame. Look at this level on the 40, what was this, 46.5, I think it is already sweep, but I'm not sure. It's not sweep, it's close below. I don't know. So yeah, but for me this is kind of, sweep, and then yeah, go back a little. That's why I'm looking for a buy setup. The lows of Asia, or the, I see. I am I'm not particularly looking for those key level. I mean, I know that's the true key level, right? The midnight open and the Asian high and lows, but I kind of not sure yet on how to use the midnight and the Asian lower high, because sometimes those key level is also, tricking me. Like, I don't know. I don't know how to use them. Like, let me mark the midnight here. Midnight should be here. Midnight is somewhere around here. Is this? No. So this is the midnight. Midnight. What should I do with the midnight? It's there. Is that a sweep? I mean, you're waiting for it to sweep it and then go down, or I don't know how to use that. Hi, Riot CODM. I think that stands for Call of Duty Mobile. Love to play the game, bro. Yes, I am. I am in one trade right now, which is 6 handles TP and 5 handles stop loss. I am also trying to figure out. Yes, I don't know yet how to use the lows, the highs, the opening gap. I need a lot of things to learn. But yeah. Oh, what is this forming? I don't know. Let me, kind of using too many. Okay, that's just something. I think I can turn this off. Not sure if I'm gonna need it. Okay, looking at the price, it's going up. Let me see. Okay, okay, this is my setup here. As you can see, this is formed inside of the trading hour, the bullish BPR. First, we have the bearish imbalance over here, and then we have this bullish FEG or imbalance, which filled the previous sell FEG, and then that form a bullish BPR. If you want to enter right now, I kind of, if I were you, I will do the entry right now, because it's kind of the same like my entry. I'm using a different broker with a different price. That's why I'm marking this here. This should have been down here on the BPR, but kind of the same. Because, and yeah, so this is still a buy setup for me. It's solid, and maybe we can find another setup on the 5 minutes also. Maybe after this, the bullish FEG will form on the 5 minutes, and then you can also do the re-entry, or following the trend and kind of entry. Still good. Go, go, go. So for me, the first take profit will be 42.72. Okay, okay. And also the first FEG that forms here is this blue rectangle, which means the bullish FEG. Let me delete this. What's this? Or if you want to do the safer entry, you can limit your order here at this fair value gap right here on 42.65. 4265. Yeah, this is if you want to limit or enter when the price retrace back here and go up, then that should be a good option too, because I'm also looking that this is a break of structure to the upside on the low time frame. So yes, just like that, simple enough. Okay, the price just tap here. If you set the limit, you would be in right now. Should be in right now. I'm going to also add one more position for me to target this one on the higher time frame. It's on 300 for 300. Yep. Okay, target set. Oh, I forgot to set the stop loss first. I think okay, I'm going to just make some adjustment to my broker because it has different price, you know, a little bit down. It six handles. Where's six handles? Here, somewhere around here. Six handles here. Okay, I am so good to go now, and just let's see where the price goes. You could, because I just do my entry, but back again to yourself, do it on your own risk. Just remember to be responsible for your risk management. I am not providing a signal, I'm just journaling my trades. And if you want to follow it, good to go. Yeah, if I were you, I will take the trade right now, buy two, because it's still on my buy zone here. It's still tapping again to the bullish BPR here. Still on the discount. I plus ultra. I mean Oliver. Oh, I mean, is there any correlation between this? See this midnight line? If the price is below the midnight line, will it be considered as a discount price? And premium if it's above this midnight line, or it cannot be, you know, said that way? I don't know, I'm curious with it. I mean, how do you this midnight? Yesterday, yes, I did the PM session yesterday, but a very small lot because I wasn't seeing a very good setup and ended up taking a loss. It is a loss. Yes, I took a buy anticipation too, buy orders, but the price just whoosh, crashed. My TP1 on the setup is here. I'm using a Pepperstone broker, the price will be here on the 6 handles, 42.72, 42.72. That's my first TP. I will be marking some level of TPs later on this bigger trade. I'm still looking for the price to move first. Act like resistance. Oh, okay. Rejection at midnight open. That's why I'm asking. I mean, it's kind of concerning. So yeah, still looking at it, what price can do. But I still believe on my model. So yeah, that's my plan. I'll be doing that. What happened? Can you show it after? Yeah, sure. Ah, really, we are on the same side. I mean, it's not our fault, not the model's fault. We got the model, we got the risk. That's just how important it is to have a plan and strategy. You know, the risk management is really important. Even when we all, as the silver bullet traders, took the same trades that we considered as right, but it could be a loss still. Actually, I can show you right now because I'm already on the. Oh, let me do the TP1234 first. Okay. I will be looking for an OTE on the 15 minutes. And also, I am not sure yet how to use the OTE, but I believe that the way I used it kind of, work because I used it sometimes. Let me see first from this to this how many. Oh yeah, it's no, that's less than. So for the OTE, the furthest TP is 75, which is not that much, not as much as I want to aim. I will be using this swing right here to mark my OTE. Let me see here. Where's the valid swing? I'm gonna mark this one. It's right here. One moment, I will be marking my TP level. It is a bit cheating because, oh yeah, it is on the OTE level. It's aligned with our BPR here. So this will be the OTE. I am disclaimer one more time. I'm not sure if it's the correct way to use the OTE setup, but I will use it anyway. OTE break even slash TP1. Making the line, and then we have the worst. Oh nope, that's actually the entry right here, the orange one. The red is actually the stop loss. Sorry, my bad. That's why I'm confused. The first will be here for 289. The second will be here. Oh, where it was 96. TP2. The third is this, but I'm not sure that the price is going to rally this high. But this is for the long-term swing, not just for the silver bullet. I mean, if you want to hold it kind of longer, maybe a day or two or even a week. I think this is 3, this is 2, and this one 1, and this is just the break even. My bad, guys, my bad. So here is for the OTE setup. I believe the break even is here. This is a swing setup for 290, just to make it even. For 290 for the break even. TP1 is 4301. I will use 4300 for the TP1. TP2 is 4305, and the last TP should be 4314. So that's my level of take profit. But I cannot also clean all of my position if I see a reversal or something after some type of liquidity grab, but I don't think there's any beside of this, so we're still waiting. Mm, yeah, yeah, sure thing. Boy, I was wrong. Me too. I was like setting the trade and then go to sleep expecting that I will be wake up rich, you know. But turns out that the position was close and then balance is getting lower. So yeah. Hmm. Yes, yeah. It's just like the market know that we are in the trade, so they just consolidates or even go to opposing direction. But when we are not, when we are sleeping and not trading, then the price will be really going to some pool of li liquidity that follows our setup. This is how the markets work. I'm on IC market at 42.62 only. Yeah. 6-2. Yeah, that's three handles different, bro. I mean, it's kind of concerning. That's why different broker is, especially for US 500s. I mean, even two handles difference can make a big difference. You need to, do your own kind of setup thingy on your price chart. And 363, mine is 66. I mean 67. See how far is that? I mean, you can. Oh, I don't know. I just don't know how to say this. It's kind of sketchy. Technically, yes. On future, yes, that's the original price, but that's why I was planning to move to a broker. Like this one is a Pepperstone. I really want to move to Pepperstone, so I'm just like focusing on the Pepperstone. Pepperstone is the chart that I'm looking at the price, and then Pepperstone is also going to be the place that I'm taking the trade. So there will be no difference price between this broker that I used to chart and another broker that I actually used to trade. So yeah, planning on it. ICT explained this on a news video why it's consolidated. Oh really? Did the video just uploaded? I did not uh received it or I missed it. I don't know. Okay. I can't trade that on IC market. So one question: is the S&P 500, US 500, SPX, E-mini S&P 500 different, or I don't know? You guys explain it to me. Is it different or the same? But I believe that SPX, US 500, and S&P 500 is the same thing, right? But what about that E-mini? I think it's kind of different because it has E-mini on it, like like the smaller contract version of the S&P. I don't know. All the same, all of them. Man, I just don't know. That's why I was confused for the first time. I'm following the ICT. Looking at my broker, I was typing S&P, but nothing pops up. But then I googled it. It gives me different name, US 500, and I see it on my broker Exness. It's there. So how many names does this symbol have? Like, bro, I'm confused. But they are all a derivative from the. What do you mean derivative? I'm not understand. Let me Google derivative because my my knowledge is not that huge about this. I'm just doing this indices futures kind of thing after I learn about this ICT model. Originally, I was a forex trader and I tried to use this model on the forex, but turns out it's not that great. That's why I'm forcing myself to, you know, move myself, drag myself out of my safe zone, comfort zone to trade on where the model should be traded. What is the derivative? The term refers to a type of financial contract whose I see underlying. I see. That's what I'm talking about. The contract value is dependent underlying. Okay, okay, okay. So yeah, basically it's the same, just different contract size on different brokers. Ah, is the original. Yes. All the other CFD are just like the Chinese version of a. Not trying to be something, but yeah, making an easier explanation, I guess. I wonder what the price do right now. Is it still consolidating? Uh, Let me see on the 1 minute. Boom. Okay, it goes back again to my entry uh, zone, which is good to see. Here is another. Oh, let me delete this. It's annoying. Another BPR here, really small, but it is what it is. I guess let's see on the 5 minutes to see if okay, I will be okay. I guess we're good. So, as your request, let's travel back to yesterday's PM session. Sorry for a laggy chart because my laptop recently has a bad RAM, so I need to take out one of the stick for my laptop to be able to run to turn on, but it sucks because it kind of choppy right now. Used to be 8 but now run on 4 gigs. Where is the PM? Wednesday 7 July here. Let me mark the 14 here until 13 here. And this is the start. Let me mark the 50 and 10. So here, what I did yesterday as in my time zone, guys. I mean, if you're living a different time zone, I don't know how to call it, but yesterday for me, because I woke up to the London session. And then here I was looking for the price doing the downside of liquidity, this liquidity right here. Here was sweep right there. Here, that makes me put a buy anticipation. Oof, damn. Okay, good. There. With this, from in PM, I was focusing myself to look for a buy setup, which bullish BPR that I found here. This is the first during the session. Ignore this on the left of this green zone because it's outside, and this is the first. But what made me only took a small position of this trade because of this white line, the first FEG that formed. It is should be bearish, but I just like concerning this is not gonna be a good trade. But I was putting my position here, boom. But I was doing an instant, by the way. I don't really like to use the limit. I just do an instant thing because FOMO kind of thing. It was up for, just being honest, I was closing opening the trade and then goes back to sleep because I was really sleepy, and I opened this trade on my phone. It's a really bad thing to do. It goes up for 4 to 5 handles, and then just goes down here, and guess what, the price just consolidates right there, right there, right there, and then going to the London session, it's just went like down, I believe. Yeah, just like that here. So this was my setup. during the previous PM session. The price was on 74.5. Target is 4280.5, and the stop was 4269.5. Yeah, that's my trade on the PM. Boom. So that's it. Stop right there. Is there any better setup? Where should be the six handles from there? Oh no, it should be down low, right? This is just the difficulty trading in, not trading, but doing the speculation and the trade on the different brokers, because on the silver bullet you need to be exact. Like, since the target is six handles, it is really precise. If you miss just point quarters 0.25 of a move on a different broker just because the price is different, and say that your setup on the different broker was just like that, but you actually caught the setup on the chart that you used to mark the setup, that will be disaster. It's just about to get the TP, but just then goes down to hell or reverse to your stop. That's pretty bad. That's why I'm really concerning to do the charting and the trade on the same broker. I was doing fine with this before on the forex, because the price that I'm aiming is kind of like higher, because I was doing a SMC type of thing. It's still like acceptable, the price differences, but now I realize only, yes, we really need to be precise. Like, if I'm limiting my price here at this specific price, it should be there and cannot be more or less even a quarter. That's gonna be a disaster. Crazy, isn't it? Yes, and slippage yes, of course, slippage and all of the other stuff. So that's why, come on, I need to move on to one broker. Let me zoom to the current price. Boom. Okay, looking good. Looks like we broke the midnight level, which means we are not in a discount price anymore, and we will be striving upwards, because it rejects on the, like, resistance turns into a supply, or whatever that you call it. Maybe those SND type of traders. I'm not that guy, but my friend is one of my friend. I believe he's watching right now. He is really good at SND. But I'm not that guy. I'm just a silver bullet guy. Let's see on the 5 minutes to see if we. Okay. As you can see here, the first FVG that formed on the 5 minute setup is bullish here. This is also indicating that the setup is a solid buy. The 1 minute and the 5 minutes is giving us the same setup. That is a good indication. If you were missing the 1 minute setup, you can actually wait for the price to come back again to this level, or to this fresher imbalance over here. Bullish also. If the price retract a bit to this zone from 4267 to 4266, you can follow our plan, my plan, this plan. will delete this for a cleaner chart, and we can use the indicator still to show it. So yeah. Oh, I'm having a good coffee. Ugh, sorry. My bad. Ugh. Not quite right. I don't like coffee luwak. I mean, after I drank that coffee, my piss, my bladder just smells like, really strong. I mean, like the coffee, it's like the coffee is getting out again from my, my thing. So no, it's not the luwak coffee. But how did you know such type of coffee? Uh, the coffee was, it's a junk coffee from McCafe. I was having a McDonald's treat this noon in my time zone, so I ordered coffee from them. So it's a McDonald's coffee. It's a latte, basically. Oh, really? So you did uh, drank a luwak coffee. How does it feel for you? The taste. I mean, did you like it? And I also want to. I don't know how to talk about it. I just want to know how you guys doing. I mean, every time you show up, you always ask me, but how you doing? Now this is my time, my first time to ask you first how you guys doing. Let me hear that. I mean, because your health is number one priority over than everything. I mean, you can type whatever you want on the comment section. It's not just for the trades, but we're sharing everything here just to make sure that we feel alright, and worst case you don't kill yourself because of the margin call or whatever. Was okay, but I kept thinking it came out. that that's right. It came out of an that hole and taste maybe like a shit, and also came out from our body smells like a shit. Pretty bad, pretty strong smell. That's why I hate it's strong. I know the coffee is strong. Like people love it because they feel the strength of the coffee, but I don't like it. Nuh-uh. Give me a free supply, lifetime supply of that thing. I'm not drinking it. Nuh-uh, thank you. I would rather to just enjoy this make cafe coffee. Damn. I mean, to be honest with you guys, I kinda happy to see you hanging around. I mean, I wasn't intend that this YouTube stream to be a thing that will build such a you know community like the other YouTubers did they they did their YouTube like to grow to be a massive community, so they can open up a class and selling out their courses to over a model that they are not in fan, and not even mentioning the author. No, I didn't. I'm just like, you know doing this live so my friend can see what I'm doing, so he can also learn about the model. And then you guys just show up out of nowhere, and I hope you guys just, yeah, amazing. Maybe stick around longer so we can be successful together. Maybe, who knows? I mean, I believe that if we are around the people that having the same vision, big dream, live in the moment, doing the things like, obsessed with it together, that's just such a dream. And nothing bad can happen. So thanks for hanging around. Maybe someday, who knows? Some days we can meet in one place, wherever it is, around the world, for the first time. And then I saw this dude the first time he was doing a trade, stupid trade. There was nobody watching it. Let's think about that moment for a second. I was there when we were at the lows. Now look at us. Who knows? I mean, yeah, I'm just saying. Nothing wrong with having a imagination that big, and so the prices. Why do I like go back instantly? So we are now running from my entry for 4 handles, 2 more handles for the vault ICT silver bullet setup, 6 handles to be hit. We are still in the good bullish uh, move, because we just broke this level here. Also, this is a bigger uh, change of, I mean, break of structures. Just drawing it. It doesn't mean nothing. I'm just drawing it. Okay, but I think this level on the 4289, 4290 is a bit far. So I think I will be setting my break even on the bigger trade just after the this trade gets to the 6 handles, or maybe somewhere around. No, maybe discipline, motherfucker. Yep. So this hit TP, I will set my break even here, because the price is kind of slow, not moving that much, that aggressive. Break even, small break even, OTE break even. That's good. Let's watch it go. How to add multiple take profits on MT5? You can, or I don't know, because I don't use MT5 at all since my beginning time of trading. I'm sorry, but maybe there's a way, like using a, because other than MT4, the trading platform I use is TradingView and C Trader. That's for the Pepperstone. in the C traders, it has a features to take multiple take profits. Like you can open say that one lot, right, in one position, one whole position, one lot, but the C trader lets you to, like, uh, giving you option to take profit one on which handles or pips, and you close how many lots on that level. Like say that TP1 is two handles, TP3 is two handles, TP4 is all. So when the price hit the first two handles, the C trader will be like taking the zero, I mean 0.2 lot from that one position. It can on C trader, but I don't know on MT5. So not sure how to answer that. How are you trading on paper trading account? Prop challenge. Ah, what do you mean? I'm trying to understand. Are you? I was reading how. Are you trading on paper trading account? Prop challenge. I am trading on my own fund. Okay, okay, okay. My bad. My net was down for a moment. So re-answering your Oli question, I am right now trading on my live accounts. I'm handing two accounts, one on Exness, the bigger account, but that big is not that big, still below $1,000, and one more account on the Pepperstone. I actually have an account here, but that account is below $100. So it's like a kamikaze account, one shot, one kill. It's go big or go home account. So it's a real account. I tried the prop firm on MFF with my friend, but that account was blown. I believe I took the 10,000 before the silver bullet model. That's why I blown it. And I really believe if I later taking a good amount of money from this trading, doing this, I will be taking the same or even the bigger uh, funding account prop firms, because I believe that the models really fit for that. Really interested with the prop challenge, but I think there is nothing more freedom than using your own funds, because you can do whatever you want, set whatever you want. Just remember to be yourself. Like the risk management must be there to cover your account from blowing. I wonder. I really want to connect the Pepperstone account to my trading view, but in Indonesia there are some providers, internet providers, that prevent doing this because the site is blocked. So I have to use VPN to access that. That sucks. But if I use VPN, I believe that my connection will be turning into a crap, which means I can't do the live stream very well because the connection will be limited. Because I don't want to buy a premium VPN just to connect my broker there. Yeah, that sucks. So for now, I'm just doing the Exness on my laptop and the C Trader on my mobile, because my laptop could not handle that many of charts at the same time. Ah, another sucks thing. The price really consolidating right now. Not not even arrived at the six handles, but let's just wait. And our window is still 5 minutes left, but we are already caught the trade, so good for us. Just to wait and see. Just out of curiosity, how is the tax situation in Israel? I am not really sure about that. Uh, I was asking the same question to my girlfriend. She kind of expert. I mean, she works. Uh, her division is actually tax and stuff. I was asking about this. I mean, if I'm making a lot of money from trading, where will be that, like, described in my portfolio? She said that it's outside from the salary, like it is an extra. There is a uh, a form. What is it? A column or something that lists your like extra income besides your salary. So that is not that much, not as much as US. I mean, they do tax really really big. In Bali, it's still kind of small, so it's good for Indonesian, or the Indonesian people, not just Balinese. Capital gains task. Whoa, shit, that's big. Let me. Also, you both from Germany. Riot and Plus Ultra. Let me message my girlfriend real quick. Real quick, real quick. I believe it's like smaller than yours. Yes, Riot, but only for trading with your own funds. Yeah, that's the thing that I'm not knowing too. With funded or income, what the that's the first German word being thrown at me. With funded or income, I don't. How did you read? If trading with a prop firm is a lot more complicated and high, of course, of course, of course, and in some cases even illegal, of course, of course, of course. So I kind of not sure yet on the MFF to Indonesia because I blow my account. That's very bad. Not even yet having my cash to be returned, but it's blown. Sucks. That's why using whatever. But I believe that's still smaller than you guys. What is going on? Let's go. Wanna go higher? Just move. For me, it's legalized in American. I need to register myself into the European. It's not allowed as I can. Ah, so I did it with my own fund. Oh, interesting. Wow, damn. Maybe you guys can meet each others and no. So here's the reply from my girlfriend. It depends on the income. It's yearly, between 0 to 60 million rupiah. It's rupiah. So 0 to 460 is 4,500, 4,500 ish. If you have that range of income per year, that will be 5% for tax, but above 4,500, it will be 15% of tax. That's for income, salary type of stuff. But I'm not sure for the prop funding things. Yeah, so as I said, it is a lot lesser than yours. But Indonesian income rate is not as much as you guys do. That's why I'm from the south. Maybe be more specific. Oh, what did Stuttgart and oh, what is your study? What? What do you say? Study. I mean, is it just enough for that question? What are you studying? Oh, okay, maybe that's better. What are you studying for in Germany? Right. I mean, that's a far land you go from India to Germany. Currently, I was doing the language, and now I have to give some exams for this unit. Ah, okay, good stuff. Keep progressing. Yes, one thing that I analyze from this silver bullet thing is the price will likely to go at least 50% to make like a pullback move, or even to the break even. As you can see, this is going to be the OTE, the smaller version of the OTE here. So these blue lines are the entry until this orange line is the last point entry. This red is the stop loss, and this orange is the break even. So from this 1 minute swing, the price will likely to go 50% of the move. Where is the 50%? It's somewhere around above this. Let me draw another. What was that thing called? It's called Canbox. Okay, so see this? It kind of, yeah, on my entry. So it will likely to go back to this break even, and then maybe leave again to the original direction. That's just not all the time, but most of the time I watch the price doing such thing. So that's why I kind of moving my break even a little bit uh, upper, further to the TP, because I don't want the price to get my break even and then just gone without me, because it kind of tricky too sometimes. Yep, I am still doing my college too, and I hope we will be graduated in the next year. It's on of the power of three. I heard that from ICT, but I forgot what was that mean. Can you remind me? Is it the let me remember accumulation, distribution, and whatever shin. I think uh, accumulation, accumulation. M for meditation, and D for yeah, I kind of know that, but I am not using that. I don't know if I'm using it or not using it at the same time. I'm just doing that thing, so I can't say if I'm using it. So if you say that I'm using it, then it is using. Then I don't. Accumulation, manipulation. Yeah. Kind of such thing. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys for reminding me. Nice support on the midnight. Of course, after it's broken, yeah, you know, my friend will take the buyer too over here because he's a support and demand type of guy. Yep, now is the time to the price obliterate our TP. Manipulation, distribution, accumulation, manipulation. Okay, I use the same indicator. Yeah. These indicators are just so good. I mean, I copied the ICT Fibonacci here to determine the OTE and the GAN box also from another YouTuber, I think. I don't know, but that's just to determine where's the 50%. But it works good. BPR and ICT. Oh, this one. Yes, this is very handy. This is very handy because before I used this indicator, especially for the BPR, I was missing a trade, and I believe is it Oliver saw it. I took the sell. No. I took a buy when it should be a sell, just because I missed the first small little BPR. That's just really bad. And then insert the indicator to the chart after watching some YouTube videos. and I come back to that specific trade, turn the indicator on, and then just really see what I'm missing. That small little BPR that caused my trade to be flipped. I mean, now we are with this indicator, so yeah, it's pretty handy. Opening FEG, Silver Bullet, and the BPR. Pretty good stuff. So, by the way, what time is it on German? I'm just wondering because now it is 4 4:10 p.m. in Indonesia. It's like 12 hours difference from the New York. You see this 4:09 a.m. But here in Indonesia is 4:09 p.m. So 12 hours. What about German? 10 a.m. Okay, 10 a.m. Ah, I see. I see. So let me count how much difference between here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 12. So it's like 8 hours difference. Okay, okay. So yeah, so that's why you can catch all of the silver bullet session without having to wake up in the night. Pretty good. I see only two difference. Yes, of course. Ah, all plus 6. I thought there was -6. Yeah, yeah, good stuff. I need to answer. Ooh, even to open a WhatsApp, it's getting really bad. I need to install RAM. I do. I believe I had, but that was an old server by the time I was playing with my friends. Maybe if you guys want, then we can have a new server so we can share our setups there. Kind of good idea. What was Yeah, sure thing. Like a journal with dollars, yeah, of course, of course. And actually, I have my back testing data, not test, that I can share too later. Yeah, I will consider to make a the server, and maybe on the next live I will share the link to you guys. That's a good idea. Thanks for it. Appreciate that. Okay, just a little bit more to our first trade, six handles, and my break even. Yeah, just 1.2 more handles. Mm, mm, mm. Check 1 hour buy side liquidity around. Yes, that is my interest point since the previous PM session, 4300. Really want to target that thing over there. That's why I'm also targeting this trade to be that far on the 300 also. See this on 300 here. So alright, we just hit our break even. Remember to manage your trade, guys, because the price can be reversing after this, or just anticipating. I will be closing one of my trade, which already considered as a TP. Okay, you heard the sound. I'm not lying. And moving the stop loss to plus for the other one trade. You heard the sound. I'm not lying at all. I don't like to lie because I don't want me to be lied to. Right, this one done. Just for note done. And this one is done. Small break even. I will be still holding this trade until the AM session to see if the price can reach this 300. Oh, I forgot to set my. Oh, yeah, I did. Okay, here it is. On 300. Yep. So we're pretty much good. Yep. Where are you located in Bali? I am originally came from Tabanan region, Pupuan Regency, Batusal village. It's that's just how it named. But now I'm staying in Denpasar. That's a pretty famous city. Denpasar in Renon. So here, Renon, Denpasar. It's like the city of Bali. Okay, see at the price, it's just want to go higher. But I like to go to Canggu too sometimes, to Seminyak, to Badung. I have a Russian friend there. To hang around sometimes. I want to see where's the next liquidity pool. So I think I'm gonna mark this because it's kind of a relative equal highs, and it's just swipe. Let's see another one. No, okay, still going up. So I move this to break even. Oh no, don't delete that. Lock. TP of my TPs, and now I am chilling. Haha, let's go, bro. Two of mine. All right, that's a good story to hear. Just lock it in BE and let it run to heaven. Maybe breaking your screen to the top, and just yeah, zero risk trades running. Good stuff. That's just all of the trader's dream, having a trade that has no risk in a good profit, of course. I've been dreaming this kind of setup for years, believe it or not. I've been here in the industry for like 4 years, and I'm still in the loss. I will be honest, I am still in thousands of dollars loss in this industry, and I'm gonna get it back in 2023 with these silver bullets and with you guys. I'm really having a really good feeling about that. Believe in it. Uh, what I want to do? What I want to do? It took out Asia high, Asian. Really? So I will be asking a question. Where is the Asian high? I think Asian start at 17 a.m. local time, right? Which is 17 here. Here? Asian start, is it? The high of the Asian will be this. Oh, it's just this liquidity. Asian high, and the low is here. Ah, this is Asian low, I guess. Okay, that makes sense. So what do you think? Is the price gonna reverse now after it took out the Asian high? For me, I will be. If there is a bearish BPR here, clean, strong with the displacement, I think I'm out of my trades, but not sure yet because I don't see anything like that. So I will be just letting my trade run from my. This one is already zero risk, and I have today's profit, so I think I'm gonna just let it run. Yeah, good stuff. This was the Asian high. Let me see on the 5 minutes. Did it? Oh, it does broke. Not just wicking, but it's broke. And I believe it's still having a strong movement to the upside. Let's just sit and watch. Okay, I think the price is just going to be chopping around, and then maybe in some period of time we'll go to 300 again. Just wait, and I think I will update again on the AM session later. So it's been a good time chilling with you guys, and also with a good profit here. I think I'm gonna wrap the London session right now because I think I'm gonna have to go in 30 minutes, so I need to prepare. So with that, thank you very much for hanging around, and see you in the next session. Bye. Be safe.